I have got a really interesting question of speed and time for you. So here there is a question in front of you on your screen. Try attempting this question. Interesting, it is very interesting. You will be having fun. You will have fun solving this question. Solve करके देखो, बड़ा मजा आएगा. Yeah. So the question here is, beauty of the question is you will not have any formulas in between. तो देखो ध्यान से देखो मजा आएगा. दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑफ स्पीड टाइम डिस्टेंस. ओके. अच्छा मैंने सीक्रेट पहले तो सस्पेंस तो नहीं पहले ओपन कर दिया कि कोई फॉर्मूला यूज़ नहीं करना है. नहीं नहीं नहीं, ऐसा भूल जा तो फॉर्मूला यूज़ कर सकते हो सकता है फॉर्मूला यूज़ हो. वी मे यूज सम फॉर्मूला हियर. ओके. सो क्वेश्चन इज एवरी डे नीराज हस्बैंड मीट्स हर at the city railway station at what 6 p.m. and drives her back to their residence. Okay, so he drives her back to the home. One day she left early from the office and reached railway station at 5 p.m. Now husband is supposed to reach to railway station at what 6 p.m. as per the timing. She started walking towards her home. Okay. Meet her husband coming from their residence on the way, and they reached home 10 minutes earlier than the usual time. What is the usual time? We don't know that. For how long did she walk? That's what you need to find out. For how long did she walk? You don't have speed. You don't have her walking speed. You don't have the speed of her husband when he's driving to pick her up. Kuch nahi diya. You don't have distance also. And you know what? There is no option called cannot be determined. So it's definitely answerable question, right? We will definitely get one specific answer. तो चलो ट्राई करते हैं. अब इसको ऐसा देखो. So this is the railway station, city railway station. This is city railway station. And here is their home. Now think about it. When drives her back to their residence, ये sentence important है. So with this you can understand that her husband is starting from their residence and meet her at city railway station at 6 o'clock. So he is coming with the usual speed here. अब ध्यान से समझना इस बात को. Now he is coming with the usual speed, reach here at 6 o'clock and then turn back. Now when she reached here at 5 o'clock, in that case, चलो diagram फिर से बना देता हूँ. When he reaches here at 5 o'clock, in that case, what's happening? When she reaches the city railway station at 5 o'clock, then what happened? At 5 o'clock, keep in mind 5 o'clock, an hour ago, then she starts walking. And this fellow meets somewhere on their way and then take her back to their home, their residence. Doing so, they save 10 minutes. They save 10 minutes. अब ये दे कौन है यार? देखो पहला केस देखो. When she is reaching here at 6 o'clock and her husband picks her up at 6 o'clock and come back, तो वहाँ पे कुछ टाइम हो रहा होगा. Let's say it is x pm. एक एग्जाम्पल है x pm. Yeah. Now when this is happening, they are saving 10 minutes. That means they are reaching here 10 minutes before x pm. Both of them are reaching at what? 10 minutes before x pm. अब थोड़ा अगर ध्यान से अगर आप थोड़ा लॉजिक लगाओगे तो सोचो, अगर टोटल टाइम सेव किया, घर पहुंचने में टोटल टाइम सेव किया 10 मिनट्स. अब आप फिलहाल के लिए सिर्फ उसके हस्बैंड के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सोचो. फिलहाल के लिए यू जस्ट थिंक फ्रॉम नीराज हस्बैंड पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू दैट they reach means her husband and Neera, both of them are reaching at this place, their home 10 minutes early. Up, just as I said, like just think from her husband point of view. They reach 10 minutes early. Total 10 minutes save हुआ है. Now, for her husband, while going to this point, the midway point, let's say point A, and coming back, he saved, in total, he saved 10 minutes to reach here back, right? That means he must have saved, डिस्टेंस सेम है यार, डिस्टेंस सेम है, थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखो, डिस्टेंस सेम है, स्पीड भी सेम है, डिस्टेंस सेम है और स्पीड भी सेम है। मतलब ये होम से ए तक का डिस्टेंस और ए से होम तक का डिस्टेंस सेम है, एंड द स्पीड इज ऑल्सो सेम फ्रॉम होम टू ए एंड दिस पॉइंट ए टू होम। ठीक है, अगर टोटल टाइम 10 मिनट सेव किया है, इसका मतलब जाने में भी उसने 5 मिनट सेव किया होगा और आने में भी 5 मिनट सेव किया होगा। थोड़ा सोच के देखो, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल दैट ही इज सेविंग 3 मिनट्स वाइल गोइंग एंड 7 minutes while coming back and then total become 10 minutes. Not possible, no? Do you agree with me? Because his speed of driving is same. There is no mention of changing the speed, so we have to consider that is same. And distance from H to A and A to H is also same, right? So time taken should also be equal, correct? That means time of saving should also be equal. So if total time they reached 10 minutes early, so he must have saved 10 minutes while going, 5 minutes by going and 5 minutes while coming back. यहाँ तक आ रहा है समझ में? Now, when he saved, अब इसको फिर से समझो. When he saved 5 minutes while going, he saved 5 minutes. जाते वक्त he saved 5 minutes. Saved 5 minutes का मतलब क्या? इसका मतलब ये that he used to meet his wife Neera at 6 p.m. usually, but now he is meeting his wife 5 minutes early. That's how he's saving 5 minutes, right? 5 minutes early, then 6 p.m. That means the time at which Neera's husband meets her is what? 5 minutes before 6 p.m. So that means it should be 5:55 p.m. ये बात समझ में आनी चाहिए. ये समझ में आ गया तो you got the answer. Think about it. He is meeting his wife 5 minutes early compared to when he used to meet her usually, right? That's where he's saving 5 minutes only while going. Do you understand that? Okay. If that's the case, अगर ये आपको समझ में आया है तो अब आप ये बात समझो कि he is meeting his wife Neera at 5:55 p.m. and Neera started walking at what time? From what time? 5 p.m. right? And the husband meeting Neera at 5:55 p.m. That means Neera walked for how long? For how many minutes? Neera walked for 55 minutes. That's why 5 p.m. she started, 5:55 she met her husband. तो 55 minutes walk किया ना? That's the answer. Interesting, no? Think about it. No formula. Go through this entire thing. I know I have dragged this question a lot, trying to make it simple for you to understand. But I hope I did make you understand. Yeah? Okay. What do you think about the level of difficulty here? Level of difficulty, once you get the catch of this question, then it is definitely easy. और वहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए, वो लॉजिक तक पहुँचने के लिए, you need to really apply good brains. So if you are able to catch it quickly, then you can mark it easy. But if it is taking for you a little time to understand that, even without giving any speed, any distance, we can still get the answer. थोड़ा वहाँ तक पहुँचने में टाइम लग रहा है, तो then you can mark moderate. Please tell me what is your point of view. And if you did not understand this, please write in the comment box so I can make it even easier than this. Okay, so this is it. Let's see the next question.